listen. Let's give it some throttle here. What a sound! So hello people, this is Moscarblog and I will now take the Brabus G700 to the Autobahn and see what we can do with this tank. As you've probably saw in my review, this car is a little bit stingy to drive. It goes left and right because it has so much power, but let's see how it will behave on the Autobahn. I'm really curious. Some pops and bangs to start off the video. So people, there's the de-restricted sign. Let's give this G700 some throttle and see how it behaves at higher speeds. As you can see, I need to steer to the right direction because this car moves left and right. I don't know why, but this is how the G63 and the G Brabus behave. They are not sports cars, but it is really fun to drive them. Full throttle. Listen to the side pipes. They sound insane. The side pipes are such a nice feature of this G model. The side pipes are so loud that I'm not hearing the fake sound pumped inside, which you normally hear from a G63. It's all from the inside, but this one is so loud that I'm only hearing it from the sides. Look, this is crazy. Full throttle again. Picks up really nice actually. Better than you would expect. Okay, I need to brake here a little. Yeah, you can't push this car really fast. Like 180 feels fast already. In a normal sports car, 180 is a joke, but here it is like fast already. And I'm always counter steering. But it's such a tank. Just look how high we are looking above to the people, even to that car there, which is a pickup. It's insane. Some pops and bangs even at 130, listen. And now not, but maybe now. So people, listen to the G700 when it's revving. Are you hearing that? Popcorn machine. Listen to the sound under this bridge. Listen to the sound. The pops and bangs are crazy. Wow! Isn't the most agile of cars? So people, this car feels really big and it is really big, but it's fun to drive with this sound, this pops and bangs. Let's look at this. Bop, 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 bop. Crazy experience actually, and the quality in here is insane. Really nice leather, everything's full leather Alcantara here. It's a really beautiful car, this G700. Really nice package. And if you consider that Brabus even made a rocket version of this G-Class with 900 horsepower, and they limited it to 10 pieces I think, that must be really crazy. But honestly, 700 is more than enough in this car because it's already going left and right like this. Did you see that? And before you saying this car has something wrong, no, I drove a G63 and it's exactly the same. And also I've talked to some friends with that car, they own G63s, and they also say it's the same. So that is just the problem with this car. So let's give it some throttle here. The side pipes are so loud, I've mentioned this already, but I'm not hearing the engine sound coming from the front like you normally do with a 63 AMG, with the G63. I'm only hearing the side pipes. Let's go, let's give it some throttle. What a sound. Need to brake here. It's too crowded to try some top speed. But the acceleration and the sound are actually more than enough. It's so nice. What a sound, ladies and gentlemen. What a sound. Listen. Fährt er wieder. Ah, hier Daumen hoch, hast du gesehen? So let's listen to the pops and bangs and then floor it. Listen. Let's give it some throttle here. What a sound. This car is absolutely crazy. That smart is scared for his life. 200. It's actually quite decent at higher speeds. The wind noise isn't as bad as I would have thought, but it is loud in here. It is definitely loud in here, but it's actually quite okay. What a sound. The sound in this car is the best part about it, honestly. These side pipes, it sounds like a demon. Wow. Insane. Listen to the pops and bangs of this car. Let's give it some throttle here. Need to be careful here. A lot of traffic. In a corner with this tank. That's actually a little bit scary with this car. It's not a sports car, but it is a fun car and everybody's looking at it. If you like this kind of stuff, everybody looks at this car. And it isn't slow with 700 horsepower, but let's say a C63 with 500 horsepower feels way faster. But this one is way scarier to drive. The way how you have to tame it down because it goes left and right. It's a scary and crazy experience. So people, we can also change how this gauge cluster looks. If we go to styles here at the end, we have, for example, progressive, the one we are using right now, but there's also the sporty one, this one, as you can see. And this one looks really, this one is the cool one actually. Look at this car, how it jumps. It's crazy and scary to drive. So people, this was my Autobahn video with the G700 by Brabus. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.